Oh, Sunday afternoon. Officially it's 34, feeling of 36, but with all this wind going on, it's much less. Yeah, it's only 4 p.m. and we are outside going for our walk due to the fact that we are expecting a major storm once again. They have declared yellow, well, orange, I think it's orange alarm basically for the whole Slovenia. So the 2/3 of the, basically the eastern 2/3 are declared due to the expecting the storm that we are expecting, where apparently there are several storms heading this way. You can see how much stuff is in the air. While the western third is still, or it is under the threat of wildfire because it's so hot. Oh. So I said let's go for a walk because it will be raining until 8, 9. And I don't know, well, we are expecting until 8, 9. So I said it's better that we go out for our walk now than perhaps later. And Liza said, okay, let's go. Yeah, I said we will go for a quick one, just so that she will go number 1 and number 2, and so that we can get back before the rain starts. And in the morning, first we met Nar. Liza was having her breakfast with him when Thor came by. We haven't seen Thor in like almost 2 months, more than a month. He has been back from his vacation for about 10 days. Lizzie, Tuki, oh, you can see. Oh. Tuki. Cheers. But we haven't met him before today. Yeah, we are on the different schedule. But so yeah, they were just eating. Nar and Liza were eating when someone's trousers or pants were blown away. I assume from up there. I don't know if you could catch it. Oh. Greva, hitar, Lizzy. Dajmo kakamo. And Thor came by, accompanied in the company of 2 other dogs, and Nar doesn't like one of those 2 dogs, so he was upset and had to go. While Liza got her second breakfast from Thor's owner. And here we are. Nadeva, number 2. Hopefully she will go number 2. Yeah, and then as standard, when we came home, she got yogurt. Okay, and that's it. Oh, oh, oh. It's windy. Liza has done her business and we will go in back home. And here we are. Still Sunday. So after Liza has done her business, we went straight home. It was, you know, very windy. 10 minutes later it started to rain, and it rained for like 2 minutes. Nothing major. And so Liza said, Lizzie, took it like mommy, that we have to go for another walk. And of course mom had to go with us, had to come with us. Oh, yeah. So yeah, apparently the storm front passed just north of Ljubljana. So here was basically nothing, but once again the Koroška region, the Carinthia, has been hit. So far there were some floods, and I think one local was well, ended up in a landslide, mudslide. I don't know if he's okay or what is his condition. Yeah, Koroška basically always gets hit because, you know, it's a mountainous region. And yeah, they don't have, well, they have quite a lot of misfortune with the weather. Plus it's quite a remote region, very hard to get there. If you remember last year, they were basically cut off from the rest of Slovenia, so the help had to come through the Austrian side. Oh yeah, okay, that's it. Second addendum. Yeah, it's raining and we will be quite wet. Oh, there are quite a lot of lightning strikes. So we will end on this point.